Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background layer so you never alter the original. This protects details if you need to revert. Next, make a tight selection around the text using the lasso or pen. You want control, not a rough grab. Once done, expand or contract the selection by 1 to 3 pixels to avoid hard halos, and put the selection on a new layer or mask so you can sample and paint without damaging the source image. You now remove the text with inpainting. Apply content-aware fill for larger patches because it analyzes surrounding pixels, then evaluate the result. If details look off, switch to the clone stamp and healing brush to recreate texture and edges. Sampling from multiple nearby areas ensures grain and lighting align. Make small, incremental strokes and change brush hardness and opacity as needed. This prevents repeating patterns and keeps transitions seamless between the repaired area and the original background. You finish by matching fine details. Add a touch of noise or grain to the repaired zone so it reads like the rest of the image, then adjust levels and color locally to match contrast and hue. Once complete, zoom out and inspect at multiple sizes. If you spot repeating patterns or seams, undo the last clone strokes, lower clone opacity, and resample from a wider area. Make sure to save a layered file and export a flattened copy for final use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.